So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the new camera button on your iPhone 16 Pros or iPhone 16s. Now doing this is very basic and it's a pretty easy thing to use. Now, if you want to just invoke your camera button, you can use it wherever you want to actually open up your camera. So what you can do is you can hold down or just click on this camera button on the side and it will immediately open up the camera. Now if you hold it down, you'll also see this little camera button come up on the side right here, and you can let go and it will open up the camera. So you can automatically open up your camera whatever application you're in just by clicking on this button. It's actually really cool, it's really handy. Now if you go and click on it one time, you can see it'll go ahead and make a video. Or you can see it'll automatically take a photo. So whenever you just go and click on it, you can see it'll take a photo, and that's it. Now if you hold it down, you can see it'll start making a video right here. So now you can start making a video by holding it down, and it actually is a really cool thing. Now, if you want to, you can also go through and use it to zoom in and zoom out. So you can go through and swipe up and down from this camera just like this, and it will zoom in and zoom out. Now, it's not perfect, it definitely is a little glitchy, but essentially what it is you go through, basically swipe this down or swipe it up. It's not really demonstrating it really well right now. Okay, now it's working a little bit. So essentially what you can do is you can click into it a little bit, and you should be able to see the zooming in button come in. So you have to just like hold on to it a little bit. And once you click it into it, you can kind of not, click into it that much. But you can see you can start zooming in and zooming out just by doing that. So you click into it a little bit, and then you can start zooming out or zooming in depending on what you want to do. And then you can go back and touch the screen if you want to focus in on. But again, you can hit into it a little bit, and then you can start zooming in and zooming out just like this. So it really is a pretty basic process. Those are kind of the main commands you can use within your camera button. You can then go ahead and basically just, again, if you want to record, hold it down. If you want to just take a photo, click into it. And that's basically how it's done for the most part. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.